Hey, folks, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about Officer Derek Chauvin. That's the officer who killed George Floyd. Now, I just got the news a while ago that he's being arrested and charged with third-degree murder. Third-degree murder. Now, are we surprised that he's being arrested? Did we see this coming? Be honest. No, we did not. We didn't see this shit coming at all. Now, we knew they were going to do something. You know what I'm saying? We're not sure what they're going to do, but we know they're going to have to do something. Now, third-degree murder. Anyway, my point is this now. It takes the media, it takes a lot of protesting. You know what? Let's back it up. Before that, the vice president, so-called president, say something, everybody start talking about it because it is in the news. It is a big buzz. It is a big story. It is something big. So everybody's talking about it. All right? But the fact of the matter remains, we all know this. What happened should never have happened. The officer have a long ass history, 18 complaints of rough, of being rough. You know what I'm saying? Treating people like dog. And I bet you, majority of those complaints are being against black or brown people. I bet you that. They were trying to make his complaint, his file go public, and they, you know what I'm saying? It's just so much happening, man. It's just so much happening. But you know what? Let's give this, a start. Yes. He's being arrested. He's being charged. Where do we go from here? What's going to happen from here? If you don't live in America, I've been living here for 26 years. If you don't live here, right? And you see people going, oh, all this cop and all this America, this cop, it can't be true. It can't be true. Folks, who feels it knows it. Let me tell you that. Okay? Who feels it knows it. Okay? I've been driving so many times, stopped, just stopped, for no reason. I'm like, I didn't do nothing. One thing I know, don't argue with them. I say, yes, sir, no, sir, I'm sorry, sir, please forgive me. I act stupid, act dumb. Not saying it's going to work all the time now, but I do act dumb and stupid, right? So I'm trying to make it home to my kids. Try to make it home to my wife. What the hell is that? Try to make it home to my family. Okay? That's what I'm trying to do. Try to make it home. Now, as I said, if you're not from here, it is a different reality. It's a different reality. You driving some places, man, hope to God your ass don't get stopped. Hope to God your ass don't get stopped because it ain't no joke. You ain't do nothing, but sometimes just want to fuck with somebody. Just gonna fuck with somebody. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna fuck with somebody. My point to you all, man, let's just keep hope alive that, that the system does work this time. We hoping and praying that the system does work. Now, from what we see and all the other videos, the side videos, the up top videos, the underneath video, all the goddamn videos that we've seen, right? This man don't deserve to die like that, dog. He don't deserve to go out like that. No fucking way. He don't deserve to die like this. This could have been my brother, my son. This is some bullshit, man. And it took this long, 4 days. That was a black cop. Man, I'm telling you, man, this shit just get me, it's boiling my blood, man. It's boiling my blood. And when we're angry, people say, oh, they're just angry for no reason. They're just angry for no reason. Ain't nothing happened. They're just mad. They're just angry. No, something happened. We feel something. Something happened to us. You hurt us. You're killing us. You're murdering us. Come on, man. Come Come on, man. I'm speaking as a black man right now. A father, a brother, you name it, man. This shit is, oh my God, man. Oh my God. I'm terrified sometimes, you know what I mean? I even stopped by the cop. Last time I was stopped, the last 2 times I was stopped, I was lucky. It was, you know what I mean? I had a backlight out, I didn't even know. Stopped me, you know what I mean? Gave me a warning. I put my hands up here. He asked me for, you know, I'm an ID and shit. I said, sir, with permission, you know. I wouldn't mind, you know what I mean, if you get it, because, you know what I mean, I'm not trying to get shot. And he said, no, it's cool, just reach for it. Got my camera running and all that shit, right? You know what I mean? I reached for it, you know what I mean? You know, I was respectful, gave it to him. He do what he got to do and come back. The last dude now was a little bit, you know what I mean, your word. He got me back there for 20 minutes, just check. I was like, he's trying to find some shit, Lord have mercy. He's trying to find something. He's trying to find something. Came back after 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Called me by my last name. Popped my car like it's a dog and said, go on. Everything is fine. So I try not to give them nothing to stop me. Nothing at all. Sometimes shit happen. You know, they claim you make this turn, they claim you do that. Don't argue with them, folks, you know. I know you're right. I know you're frustrated. I know you're tired. But it's not worth it, man. It's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You just got to keep on fighting, man. Keep on the good fight, folks, you know. But this guy's being arrested, and I hope his ass get what he deserves. Because what I saw on that tape, and what you saw on that tape, and what everybody else see on that goddamn tape, that's murder. That's murder. That's murder. I don't care what you want to put it, how you want to put it, that's murder. Oh yeah, speaking of spinning it, I've seen there's white conservatives, they're spinning it in this way and spinning it that way. Oh, you don't know the full truth? Man, we black folks ain't stupid. We know you are looking for something to spin, to twist, to turn, and change the narrative. You know what I'm saying? Change the narrative. All you see from the white wing media is his past. Oh, he was arrested for armed robbery. Shit. They claim he shoot my mama. At that time, he didn't do shit. He didn't do nothing. You don't deserve to die like that, man. You put your ass, your goddamn 600-pound weight in this goddamn neck and kill the man. Hell fucking no, man. This shit is getting me crazy, man. This shit is, whew.